Hi folks, it's Mike with GetMyTips.com with a couple of electric pressure cooker recipes for you today. These are our top 2 electric pressure cooker recipes. First up, how to cook delicious garlic butter salmon in an electric pressure cooker and cook the rice and the vegetable all at the same time. Well, in addition to that, we're going to show you how to make delicious baby back ribs in an electric pressure cooker. And I assure you, they are just as delicious as they look. Today we will be using an Instant Pot, one of the more popular electric pressure cookers. However, both of these recipes will turn out just great using any brand electric pressure cooker. For the salmon, we're going to use this delicious center cut fillets that we purchased from Sam's Club. We will start the recipe by putting 1 cup of rice into a bowl of cold water and letting it rest for a couple of minutes. Then you should rinse the rice with cold water until the water runs clear. Next, we want to get ready a piece of heavy-duty aluminum foil and place the salmon right in the middle. Then we're going to sprinkle it with garlic salt, some lemon pepper, and a little bit of kosher salt. Then the next step is to apply about 3 pads of butter. Then we can wrap the foil up completely sealed. Next, we want to add 2 cups of water. Then our rice that has been rinsed. Next, we want to put in a rack to keep the salmon and the corn out of the rice. Now, the rack that comes with the Instant Pot is just too short, so we use this taller one that comes with a steamer basket. Next, we can put in a couple of pieces of frozen corn, put the lid on, and set the timer control for rice. When the time is up on the control, let the pressure cooker do a natural release. Now let's have a look at this delicious looking salmon and rice. And as you can see, the rice is nice and fluffy. Now let's peel back the foil and have a peek at this salmon. Doesn't that look delicious? And I assure you, it is. Here's a little trick that you can use to prevent the delicious butter from spilling out. Place the foil on top of the salmon and use a knife to poke a hole in the bottom of it. After you prepare this recipe at home, please come back and let us know in the comments section how yours turned out. Up next, electric pressure cooker ribs. Now, everyone who has ever made baby back ribs knows that the membrane can be difficult to remove. If you place the ribs under warm water in the sink before you try to remove it, it'll come off much easier. In order for our ribs to fit into the pressure cooker, we need to cut this full rack of ribs in half. The good thing about using electric pressure cookers is that they infuse the flavor into whatever you're cooking. Therefore, we don't have to use a bunch of exotic spices, etc. All we're going to use is 1 cup of any kind of barbecue sauce and 1 cup of water. Once the ribs are in the pressure cooker and ready to go, we want to set the timer to manual, which is high heat, for 40 minutes. When the timer is up on the control, we can do a quick pressure release and then put some barbecue sauce on our ribs and put them under the broiler in the oven. Putting them under the broiler for a few minutes makes a great presentation and enhances the flavor. Well, there you go, folks. 2 easy electric pressure cooker recipes. Now, if you think you learned something here today, I invite you to subscribe so that when we post another video, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching.